What if I told you there's a free workshop that hands you the exact playbook agencies charge $10,000 for? And it's open to anyone, even if you've never sold software before? GoHighLevel just dropped something that's quietly flipping the script for entrepreneurs, agency owners, and even total beginners. By the end of this video, you'll know if this is the shortcut you've been waiting for, and how to use it to get your first paying clients fast. Today, we're unpacking GoHighLevel's SaaSPreneur Workshop, a free 3-day event that's helping people land their first paying clients in as little as 14 days, even if they've never sold software before. I'll show you what's inside, who it's really for, and how to stack this with my own smart AI website training for maximum results. But there's a twist most people miss, one that could mean the difference between just learning and actually earning. Let's get into it. Hey, I'm Fran AI, the digital avatar of Fran Barbero, founder of onlinemarketer.ai. Fran personally researches and scripts every video here, and I'm here to deliver it clearly and fast. Before we dive in, if you want the exact AI tools and workflows I use to run this channel and my business, plus short tutorials on how to use them, grab my free Smart AI Business Hub. It's updated as new tools drop and covers SEO, content, script writing, YouTube, paid ads, automations, and more. Link in the description. Let's be real, most agency owners, coaches, and consultants are stuck on a brutal roller coaster. 1 week your calendar's empty, the next you're drowning in work. You post every day, but the clients just aren't coming. The problem? The old way of getting clients, cold calls, complicated tech stacks, expensive ads, just isn't working anymore. And even when you do get leads, it's a grind to convert them. I've been there. Years ago, I lost $12,000 on a failed launch because I was chasing followers, not building real systems. I learned the hard way. Followers aren't buyers and hustle isn't a strategy. But here's the thing, there's a better way, and it starts with flipping the script on how you approach local businesses. But what's the shortcut that's making this possible for regular people? So, what's the big deal with this new workshop? GoHighLevel just launched the SaaSPreneur Workshop, a free 3-day event designed to help you get your first paying clients fast. Here's what you get. Free access to the full workshop, a 14-day high-level trial, pre-built website, sales video, and email templates, social media videos, and step-by-step playbooks, optional one-on-one setup session, and you keep 100% of profits from every sale. Make sure to check the link in the description for the actual event day and time. But the real magic? The hyperlocal strategy. You're not cold calling strangers. You're helping the local businesses you already know. Your barber, your dentist, your favorite cafe. Because you're already their customer, you have trust and reciprocity on your side. That's a massive advantage. But what exactly will you learn in those 3 days, and how does it actually work? Let's break down what you'll actually get from each day of the workshop. Because this isn't just theory, it's a step-by-step playbook. Day 1. Foundation and setup. You'll discover you're not selling software. You're solving real business problems. You'll launch your pre-made website and social posts ready to share with local businesses. But day 2 is where the real customer getting magic happens. Day 2. Customer acquisition. You'll learn how to spot the local business owners most likely to say yes. The proprietary marketing X-ray tool helps you find easy wins in your community. You get pre-written customer attraction emails and demo scripts, just copy, paste, and send. But how do you actually close the deal without feeling salesy? Day 3, closing and scaling. You'll see how to close sales naturally, using a pre-made demo system that shows value in minutes. By the end, you'll have a repeatable system for attracting, engaging, and closing clients. Each day builds on the last, so you're never left guessing what to do next. Templates are the difference between "I'll get to it someday" and "I just sent my first outreach in 10 minutes. Here's what you get. Communication breakdown email exposes customer communication flaws. Your missing out call reveals hidden lead leaks. Can you handle the truth email focuses on referral gaps. Friend zone call leverages your existing customer relationship. Godfather email makes a bold, irresistible promise. Mind reader call shows you understand what business owners hate about being sold to. Insider information email uses X-ray tool insights. Fully booked demo email fixes booking process flaws. Each template is psychology driven, designed to get attention and start real conversations. But is this really for you, or just another shiny object? Let's be honest, not every opportunity is for everyone. This is perfect for agency owners who want recurring SaaS revenue, coaches and consultants ready to turn advice into implementation, service provider, SMBs who want to see what's possible with modern marketing tools, beginners willing to hustle and learn, not ideal for people expecting to get rich quick, anyone unwilling to put in the work and help local businesses. If you're serious about building real systems and helping real businesses, this is for you. I've been where you are, chasing trends, burning out, and learning the hard way. The difference? Systems, not hustle. But what about the common objections, like tech overwhelm, cost, or fear of annoying customers? Let's tackle the 5 biggest concerns I hear all the time. I'm not tech savvy. Everything's pre-built, step by step, and there's support. If you can click and type, you can do this. Will customers hate automated texts, calls? Most customers appreciate quick, helpful communication. 59% expect AI to change how they interact with companies. It sounds expensive. If this system lands you even one extra job of $1,000, that's 10x ROI on a $97 software investment. I don't have time. Templates and automation compress time. With about 10 hours a week, you can potentially start seeing results. SMMA is saturated. Niche specialization wins. Quality and specialization always beat quantity. But how do you actually put all this into action, and what tool makes it possible? Now, I've been talking about this workshop and the hyperlocal strategy, but here's the thing. The workshop teaches you the sales side of HighLevel. But if you want to become an implementation expert, not just a reseller, you need to understand the platform itself. GoHighLevel is the world's best all-in-one marketing and sales platform. It consolidates your CRM, email marketing, SMS campaigns, landing pages, appointment scheduling, and even AI-powered voice and chat widgets, all in one place. You can try it completely free for 14 days. Just click the link in the description. This is the tool that makes everything you learn in the workshop actionable. So here's the bottom line. The old agency model is broken. GoHighLevel's free SaaSPreneur Workshop gives you the playbook to land your first paying clients fast. You get pre-built templates, a proven outreach system, and a hyperlocal strategy that leverages relationships you already have. And with GoHighLevel, you have the all-in-one platform to make it real. Here's what to do next. Register for the free workshop, link below. Start your 14-day high-level trial. Use the templates to reach out to local businesses you already know. If you got value from this, tap the like button and subscribe so I know you want more content like this. And if you're a business owner, coach, consultant, or agency owner, or you want to start a service-based business with AI, watch my free masterclass. I'll show you how to build a smart AI website that ranks on Google and LLMs, set up chatbots and voice agents, and automate lead gen and follow-ups. Click the next video on screen or the link in the description.